Why choose HSS Security Solutions? The answer is simple: experience, trust, and results. Since 1997, we've been protecting families, businesses, schools, healthcare facilities, and government buildings across Middle Tennessee. For over 25 years, our licensed team has delivered security systems that work when it matters most. We provide complete solutions: fire alarms, security cameras, access control, gate systems, and 24/7 alarm monitoring. From design and permitting to installation and certification with the authority. Having jurisdiction, we handle every step the right way. Our clients choose HSS Security Solutions because we are local, reliable, and committed to protecting what matters most. We understand Middle Tennessee, and we build systems designed to meet both your needs and strict compliance standards. Whether you're in Lebanon, Nashville, Gallatin, Murfreesboro, Franklin, or Brentwood, our mission is the same: trusted protection, built on decades of proven service. Call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400 or visit HSS Security Net. Trusted since 1997.